Wild boars, also known as wild pigs or sus scrofa, are members of the pig family that live in forests, grasslands, and wetlands. They are native to many parts of Europe, Asia, and North Africa, but have also been introduced to other areas such as the Americas and Australia. Wild boars have a strong, muscular body covered with coarse, dark fur. They have sharp tusks that they use for digging, fighting, and defending themselves from predators. These animals are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals, including roots, fruits, insects, and small animals. Known for their intelligence and adaptability, wild boars can survive in various environments and are often active at night. While they may seem shy, they can become aggressive if threatened, especially when protecting their young. Wild boars, also known as wild pigs or sus scrofa, are large mammals that belong to the pig family. They are originally native to Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa, but have since been introduced to many other regions around the world. Wild boars are known for their strength, intelligence, and adaptability. They typically have a stocky, muscular build with coarse hair that ranges in color from dark brown to black. Adult males, known as boars, can weigh between 75 to over 200 kilograms, while females, called sows, are generally smaller. One of their most distinctive features is their curved tusks, which they use for digging, fighting, and protection. Wild boars are omnivorous and have a varied diet. They feed on roots, tubers, fruits, nuts, insects, small animals, and even carrion. Their excellent sense of smell helps them locate food underground. Because of their foraging habits, they often dig up the soil, which can benefit the environment by aerating it, but this can also cause damage to farmland and gardens. These animals are usually nocturnal and prefer to stay hidden during the day. They live in groups called sounders, which are made up of females and their young, while adult males often live alone or join the group during mating season. Wild boars breed rapidly, with females capable of giving birth to multiple piglets each year. Despite their benefits to natural ecosystems, wild boars can become a problem when their population grows too large. In some areas, they are considered invasive species because they destroy crops, spread diseases, and compete with native wildlife. In many cultures, wild boars also appear in myths, folklore, and hunting traditions. They symbolize strength, courage, and independence. Wild boars play an important role in the ecosystem, but in some regions, they are considered pests because they can damage crops and compete with native wildlife. Wild boars are highly adaptable and can live in a wide range of environments, including forests, grasslands, wetlands, and even mountainous areas. They prefer places with dense vegetation, which provides them with cover and protection from predators. In colder climates, they grow a thicker coat of fur during winter to stay warm. These animals are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds such as grunts, squeals, and growls. They also use body language to show emotions like fear, aggression, or curiosity. Wild boars are excellent swimmers and can travel long distances in search of food or shelter. Wild boars are mostly active at night, nocturnal, especially in areas where humans are present. They are cautious animals but can become aggressive when threatened or cornered. A mother boar will fiercely protect her piglets from any danger. Reproduction and life cycle. Wild boars have a strong reproductive ability. A female can give birth to 4 to 6 piglets in one litter, and sometimes even more. The piglets are born with striped fur, which helps camouflage them from predators. These stripes fade as they grow older. Young boars stay with their mothers for several months before becoming independent. They reach maturity at around 1 to 2 years of age. In the wild, wild boars can live up to 10 years. Although they often face threats from predators such as wolves, big cats, or humans. Wild boars in culture and history. Throughout history, wild boars have played an important role in many cultures. In ancient mythology and folklore, they are often seen as symbols of bravery, power, and ferocity. In Greek mythology, the Caledonian boar was a legendary beast hunted by famous heroes. In Norse mythology, the god Freyr rode a golden boar named Gullinbursti. In some Asian cultures, including Vietnam, wild boars represent strength and independence. The wild boar is also one of the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac, often translated as the pig in English. In rural areas, wild boars are both feared for their destruction of crops and respected for their wild spirit. In traditional hunting culture, hunting wild boars was seen as a test of courage and skill. Today, in some places, wild boar hunting is still practiced, sometimes for population control, sometimes as a tradition or sport. Conclusion: wild boars are fascinating animals with complex behaviors and a strong presence in nature. While they can be a threat to agriculture and ecosystems when their population grows too large, they also contribute to biodiversity and forest dynamics. Understanding wild boars helps us appreciate the balance of wildlife and the importance of coexisting with nature.